Mark Deering here from Remax. We've got another new listing for you. Today we are in Wyoming and we got an awesome, cute little place here. Come on in and check it out. Brandy's gonna show you around the main level here.
Hi, it's Brandy. Here we have a nice spacious living room. We have a nice bay window and a ceiling fan. Let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. Here's the primary bedroom, has nice wood floors, a ceiling fan, and lots of windows. And over here, we have a second bedroom, or it could also be an office. Nice view, big closet.
And you have a full bath right between the two bedrooms. That's got a tile surround, nice and white and bright in here. So it's a nice, clean, bright bathroom. And we're gonna head this way. And right when you come back past the living room, you're gonna have a nice dining area, currently used as a piano room. In this age of home, a lot of times this room gets turned into like a family room, or if you have a big family and you wanna go back to that 8-person table, perfect spot for it. Heading towards the kitchen. As you can see, you don't need a dining area if you want to use it for something different, because you do have a nice little breakfast nook dinette right here. And this is a nice spacious kitchen, lots of oak cabinets, tons of countertop space. You got a stainless steel refrigerator there. And let's walk back here to the 3-season room. I've got a real nice 3-season room. We'll show you the backyard here in a little bit because it is very cool back there. Let's walk back this way. Just to give you an idea, this is the flow of the home walking this way, and Brandy's gonna show you the upstairs.
Hi, come on in. This is our third bedroom up here. Nice view. Here we also have hardwood floors. And over here we have a 4th bedroom. Also has hardwood floors and a nice big window.
Okay, so that's the kind of the walkthrough back to the 3-season room. And then we're going to head out this way. This backyard is so cool. It's definitely park-like. I know you can probably hear that a ton, but literally this is a park-like backyard. It's fenced in. You've got tons of mature trees, and standing right here, you can barely see any neighbor windows, so it is nice and private. You do have a 2-stall garage, but in addition to the 2-stall, there's a nice sized shop in the back. So it's right now got all the owner's items in it, so it's not gonna be worth showing how packed it is because they're getting ready to move, obviously. But do not overlook the nice shop that's in the back there. So come on this way. All right, so then you walk back through the kitchen. You'll see the stairway heading down to the basement. And this is a unfinished basement, but definitely worth showing you because there is some newer mechanicals down here. It does have central air. Very notable is the on-demand water heater. If you don't know much about those are very efficient and nice to have. But yeah, a ton of storage. There's a couple more rooms over there for more storage, but that's the basement. So there you have it, quick tour. We're over here in Wyoming. This place is awesome, big backyard, tree-lined street, super cute from the road. Give us a call for a private tour.